This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. The integration of Bluetooth technology is revolutionizing the driving experience, making it safer and more convenient than ever before. Adding Bluetooth to your car allows for seamless connectivity with your devices, enabling hands-free calling, music streaming, and access to navigation services. By incorporating Bluetooth into your vehicle, you eliminate the need for cumbersome wires and adapters, creating a clutter-free and user-friendly environment inside your car. Drivers are seeking ways to stay connected while keeping their focus on the road, and Bluetooth integration and step integration benefit step guide on how to add Bluetooth to your car in our upcoming posts. Why add Bluetooth to your car? Imagine the freedom of staying connected while keeping your hands safely on the N addresses this need effectively. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the benefit wheel. That's the beauty of adding Bluetooth to your car. Let's dive into the reasons why integrating Bluetooth into your vehicle can level up your driving experience. Hands-free communication. By enabling hands-free communication in your car, you enhance safety by minimizing distractions. Not only does it keep you focused on the road, but it also ensures compliance with laws that regulate phone use while driving. With Bluetooth, you can make and receive calls without taking your hands off the wheel, making your journey both smoother and safer. Music streaming and entertainment. Gone are the days of fumbling with chords or looking down at your phone to change tracks. Bluetooth integration allows for seamless music streaming and entertainment options in your car. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or catching up on podcasts, you can enjoy a personalized soundtrack for your drive, enhancing the overall driving experience. GPS navigation and voice commands. Bare enough isn't just about calls and music, it's also a game changer for navigation. With GPS integration through Bluetooth, you can get turn-by-turn directions right through your car's audio system. What's more, voice commands make it easy to interact with your navigation system without taking your eyes off the road. It's like having a personal navigator right in your vehicle, guiding you effortlessly to your destination. Adding Bluetooth to your car isn't just about convenience, it's about safety, seamless connectivity, and an enhanced driving experience. Embrace the future of in-car technology and make your journeys more enjoyable and stress-free with Bluetooth integration. Ways to add Bluetooth to your car. Adding Bluetooth functionality to your car opens up a world of convenience and entertainment while on the road. There are various methods and devices available to seamlessly integrate Bluetooth into your vehicle. Let's explore some popular options. Bluetooth car kits. Bluetooth car kits are a fantastic solution for older car models that do not have built-in Bluetooth capabilities. These kits can be easily installed in your vehicle, allowing you to make hands-free calls, stream music, and enjoy other Bluetooth features while driving. By integrating a Bluetooth car kit, you can modernize your car's connectivity without the need for a complete stereo system overhaul. Bluetooth FM transmitters. Bluetooth FM transmitters provide a simple and cost-effective way to add Bluetooth connectivity to your car's stereo system. By plugging the transmitter into your car's cigarette lighter or power outlet, you can wirelessly stream music and phone calls from your smartphone to your car speakers. The transmitter broadcasts Bluetooth signals that can be picked up by your car stereo on a specific FM frequency, turning any car into a Bluetooth-enabled audio hub. Upgrading car stereos with built-in Bluetooth. If you're looking for a more integrated solution, upgrading to a car stereo with built-in Bluetooth functionality is a popular choice. Newer car stereos come equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to sync your smartphone effortlessly. This option offers a seamless and hassle-free Bluetooth experience, complete with features like hands-free calling, music streaming, and voice command integration. Upgrading your car stereo not only adds Bluetooth capabilities but also enhances your overall driving experience with modern technology at your fingertips. Enhancing your vehicle with Bluetooth technology is a practical and user-friendly way to stay connected and entertained while on the go. Whether you opt for a Bluetooth car kit, FM transmitter, or a new stereo system, adding Bluetooth to your car is a game changer that brings convenience and functionality to your daily commute. Installation and setup process. Setting up Bluetooth in your car doesn't have to be a daunting task. Here's a straightforward guide to help you through the installation process, device pairing, and troubleshooting common Bluetooth issues. Step-by-step installation guide. 1. Locating compatible ports. Start by identifying the Bluetooth-enabled ports in your car. These are usually found near the stereo system or dashboard. Consult your car's manual for specific locations. 2. Connecting devices. Once you've located the ports, power on your car's Bluetooth system. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or device and search for available devices on your car's interface. Select your car's system to establish a connection. 3. Testing Bluetooth functionality. To ensure a successful connection, play audio from your device. Adjust the volume on both your device and the car's audio system to confirm that Bluetooth is working correctly. Pairing devices and configuring settings. Pairing your devices. Access the Bluetooth settings on your phone and select Pair a new device. Choose your car's Bluetooth system from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the pairing process. Customizing settings. After pairing, customize settings like audio output preferences, device connectivity priority, and contact syncing. Adjust these settings based on your preferences for a personalized Bluetooth experience. Troubleshooting common Bluetooth issues. Pairing failures. If devices fail to pair, ensure they are within close proximity and try again. Restart both devices if necessary. Connection drops. Check for interference from other electronic devices or a low battery on either device. Move devices closer together to improve connectivity. Audio quality problems. Ensure both devices have the latest software updates and are compatible with each other. Adjust audio settings on your car system and device to enhance audio quality. Setting up Bluetooth in your car opens up a world of hands-free connectivity and convenience. By following these simple steps and troubleshooting tips, you can enjoy seamless Bluetooth integration on the go, ensuring safety and compliance. Using Bluetooth in your car can greatly enhance your driving experience, but it's essential to prioritize safety and comply with local regulations. By following safe usage practices and staying informed about hands-free laws, you can enjoy the benefits of Bluetooth connectivity while staying safe on the road. Safe usage practices. When using Bluetooth in your car, it's crucial to implement safe usage practices to minimize distractions and ensure your focus remains on the road. Set up speed dial numbers for frequently called contacts to minimize the time spent looking at your device. Utilize voice commands to make calls, send messages, or change music without taking your hands off the wheel. For longer conversations, it's advisable to pull over to a safe location to avoid compromising your concentration while driving. Legal regulations and hands-free laws. Understanding the legal regulations and hands-free laws in your area is vital for compliance and avoiding penalties. Many regions have implemented laws that require drivers to use hands-free devices while operating a vehicle to reduce accidents caused by distracted driving. By familiarizing yourself with these laws and adhering to hands-free regulations, you can protect yourself and others on the road while enjoying the convenience of Bluetooth connectivity in your car. Remember, responsible and safe Bluetooth use while driving not only safeguards your well-being but also contributes to overall road safety. Stay informed, practice safe driving habits, and prioritize compliance with hands-free laws to make each journey a secure and enjoyable experience. In closing this video, adding Bluetooth to your car can revolutionize your driving experience. The convenience of hands-free calling, streaming music, and accessing navigation apps seamlessly enhances your safety and enjoyment on the road. Whether you opt for a Bluetooth car kit, a new stereo head unit with built-in Bluetooth, or a plug-and-play Bluetooth adapter, the installation process is straightforward with step-by-step guides available online. Always prioritize safety by setting up Bluetooth connections before driving off, and familiarize yourself with voice command features to minimize distractions. Embrace the future of driving connectivity and elevate your daily commute with the simple addition of Bluetooth technology in your car. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.